In today's video we'll be covering exactly how to test your MOB2 safety beacon. We will cover the functional and DSC test as well as the AIS and GNSS test. It's important to note that routine testing of your MOB2 is recommended to ensure it is in good working order. Testing will reduce the battery capacity slightly and reduce the operation time of your MOB2 during an emergency. The MOB2 will automatically shut down at the end of each test. This is shown by the red LED flashing twice. Firstly, we'll cover the functional and DSC test. Please note, this test should be carried out once a month throughout the lifetime of an installed battery, and an MMSI number must be programmed into the MOB2 before commencing this test, and the target radio must be within range. To test, press and hold the test off key. After 1 second, the red LED will start to flash, indicating that the functional and DSC test mode is activated. The key may now be released. After the test off key is released, a DSC test transmission will be sent to the MMSI number programmed into your MOB2. This test DSC transmission will be indicated by a long red flash and then followed by 3 green flashes every 2 seconds until an acknowledgement is received from the target radio. We will show our successful test twice on screen so that it's clear. Please note, when we tested the MOB2 we were very close to our VHF unit. This meant it did not take long for us to get a DSC acknowledgement on our VHF unit. Please also note on screen our flashes during this test look blue, however in person they were green. At the end of the test, the strobe will flash and the indicator LED will produce a flash sequence. This flash sequence indicates the pass/fail result. See the screen now for the full details of the possible flash sequences and their meaning. Next, we'll show you the AIS and GNSS test. Please note, this test should be carried out no more than once a year throughout the lifetime of an installed battery. The MOB2 is limited to 10 AIS and GNSS tests over the lifetime of the installed battery. If all tests have previously been used and there are none available, the red LED will flash repeatedly upon release of the test key and then shut down. To initiate an AIS transmission and GNSS test, press and hold the test off key. After 1 second, the red LED will start to flash. After a short while, approximately 5 seconds, the red LED will remain on and steady, indicating that the AIS and GNSS test mode is activated. The test off key can now be released. After the test off key is released, the LED will produce a cyan flash every 5 seconds whilst the MOB2 is searching for a GNSS location fix. Once a GNSS location fix is obtained, the strobe will flash, and the indicator LED will produce a flash sequence. This flash sequence indicates the pass/fail result. See the screen now for the full details of the possible flash sequences and their meaning. In the event of a test failure, repeat the test. If the test failure happens again, contact Ocean Signal directly for further help. Batteries should be replaced at an authorised battery replacement or service centre. You can find details for this on Ocean Signal's website.